ìgbésí ayé ọ̀tún yọ̀tọ̀ mi láàrin àwùjọ padà.
Larike Rehabilitation Center wọ́n wà ní block 4 plot 16 Kenta Housing Estate Ìdíàbà Abẹ́òkúta Ògùn State. Tẹlifóònù nọ́mbà wa ni 09061839299 07013262899 tàbí 08034722200. Email larikereha@gmail.com.
Ìràpadà tí ò láfiwé at Larike Rehabilitation Center àtúnbí níṣẹ́ wa.
What is this magic? I need that magic.
Oya kama crowd de desku yi. Ìpínlẹ̀ Fani àti Mọ̀gbẹ́ wa is a go. Ẹ̀sùn kọjá ká mọ̀ nípa ìròyìn ìdárayá káàkiri àgbáńlá ayé ni. Ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ lórí àti ní ẹsẹ̀ kúkú ni yẹnìkan ní A.y.o Radio UK lápá ti bí the radio with charisma àríyáńṣẹ́ lápá ti bí ni tẹ́ bá ṣe ń gbọ́ wá báyìí ayọ̀ ní tán lè yí bí ṣe máa jẹ́ nìyẹn àṣà kìíní lórúkọ tèmi Mr. Bounce Mr. Victor Highness Story The Light of Sport ìmọ̀lẹ́ rẹ̀ ìdárayá ó yá ìròyìn gbé jáde pé Frank Lampard gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe pààrọ̀ ẹ̀nu kan Chelsea yẹ kúrò ní Mauricio Sarri ni gẹ́gẹ́ bí olùkọ́ ni àwọn yẹn ti ń fi ẹ̀hónú hàn pé ṣe Frank Lampard máa ṣe dáadáa yẹn ní sáà tó ń bọ̀ ní olùkọ́ Chelsea ẹgbẹ́ ṣe máa ṣe dáadáa àbí ò ní ṣe dáadáa máa já ẹsìn bẹ́tà bó ṣe máa jẹ́ nìyẹn ó yẹ lọ gbọ́ mi live and direct yẹn lóye Facebook page A.y.o Radio UK ẹ láìkì ẹ kẹ́dẹ̀ pọ̀lú ẹ ní ó máa dùgbò máa kàn sí Mr. Bounce ó yá let's go there.
Realities of life, real talk, real issues, real people, topic and facts as it affects the environment. Join your humble presenter, Sir James, as he brings your exposure, the facts of life, every week, from your best companion, A.y.o Radio, broadcasting live in UK and Nigeria. It's www.ayororadio.uk.com. It's nothing but the facts of life.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for Nature Trends. Maryhama Barherbs, right now taking over the mic. In the building, Nature Trends. Welcome to A.y.o Radio UK. Shout out to all our listeners worldwide. Don't forget we're going to be on FM in Lagos this February. Put it to my brother.
Thanks for joining me in another edition of Nature Trends Experience back on A.y.o Radio UK, the station with charisma. You can listen to us on TuneIn, download the TuneIn app on Google Play Store and search for A.y.o Radio UK. We are there for you. You can also watch us live on Facebook using A.y.o Radio UK at the Daily Journalist. You can watch us on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel A.y.o Radio UK at the Daily Journalist. You can follow us on Instagram, A.y.o Radio UK at the Daily Journalist. You can also follow Miriam Barherbs, Maryhama on Barherbs, and you can also follow Miriam Barherbs on Instagram, Maryhama_Barherbs, and we'll be glad to follow you back. And you can send us a mail at A.y.o Radio UK at gmail.com. For adverts, placement and sponsorship, you can call us on the number +4479311784886. Once again, the number to call for sponsorship and advert placement is +4479311784886, or you can send us a WhatsApp message on +2348188001265. Then, once again, I welcome you to Nature Trends with me about on this edition, and thank you for joining me. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín pé tó darapọ̀ mọ́ lórí ètò Nature Trends ọ̀sẹ̀ tí òní. Ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́ òṣè dáadáa la bá yín àṣẹ wa mú wá fún yín lórí ètò yìí ní ọ̀sẹ̀ ní ìta mú wá fún yín lọ́sẹ̀ yìí ó tún àtúnyàtọ̀ ara ọ̀tọ̀ ní lórí ewé àti egbò. Yes, on today's program, in today's edition, we'll be talking about natural plants in 3 ways. Yes, using it as hair and skincare, and how to use it to promote natural plant in promoting wellness, and also how to use aloe vera to treat sunburn. Yeah, and first on the list, let's take a look at using natural plant as hair and skin care. Now, using natural plants in many things has been traced back to the ancient days. As far back as ancient times, plants have been harvested for their hair and skin care benefit. Many are rich in both vitamins and fatty acids that target everyday issues. But just because the plants work magic does not mean they need to be shrouded in mystery. You need to get to know the ones that will help you solve any problems you're having with your health, and it can help you look and feel your best. Yes. So this brings us to the first on the list of the natural plants, hair and skin care. I have the sunflower, the bay leaf. I have aloe vera. I have budroot. I have rose, witch hazel, and mint, camellia, and sunflower. That's eight. We're going to look at eight natural plants as hair and skin care. Now let's take a look at mint. If you ever bought anything with um, salicylic acid, usually found in topical spot treatment, then you're familiar with mint acne fighting power. There is this science lesson that mint is especially astringent, meaning it is powerful enough to make your skin pores contract and squeeze out extra oil. Next on the list, the bay leaf. You can do a lot more with bay leaf than the toss of a few into a stock pot for flavoring, like using it to cook jollof rice. Not only that, it has many. One of the benefits is also the Ayurveda, an Eastern medicine practice with roots in India, calls on the antioxidant-rich leaves to treat common hair and skin cramps. The bay leaf rays and think a potent tea can help lift dandruff from the scalp while also straightening hair follicles for future regrowth. If applied to the skin, the rays target impurities, which is helpful in treating acne, and can also depuff without drying, which makes it a great toner. Wow, it works magic. You can try it. And also on the list, I have sunflower. Sunflower consists of vitamin E and fatty acid. This vitamin and fatty acid in sunflower seed, it makes it work magic. The oil makes it wow. The oil work together to target a wide range of skin conditions. They are good protectors against wrinkles and harsh sun rays. And also it has anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory properties in it helps to fight acne and rashes. Likewise, when applied to the scalp, the sunflower seed oil can combat common irritation like dryness in busy hair, and so they indicate purer and therefore more potent formulas. It's a very, very good product for hair and skin care. And I also have the camellia. Mix into serums and cleanser. Usually, yeah, camellias and usually mix into serums and cleanser. It works perfectly. And camellia oil functions as an intense emollient. It is packed with same omega-3 that salmon, which is one of the only fatty acids your body is incapable of producing on its own. Eczema and psoriasis sufferers have a long used camellia oil to moisturize, and even recently it has become an hamburger ingredient in anti-aging products. Most of these anti-aging creams, anti-aging formulas you see contain camellia. Yeah. So don't overlook natural plants because they work magic, perfect, and natural way without side effects. So next on the list, I have aloe vera. Aloe vera has dominated the beauty aspect for the case. When mentoring beauty products and beauty ingredients, you can't do away with mentoring aloe vera because of its active ingredients and in solving skin problems. Aloe vera has dominated the beauty asset for decades. The clear gel found in the leaves of the succulent is famous for treating wounds, bites, and burn. The researcher credits those healing powers in the plant's ability to speed up skin regeneration. Yeah, aloe vera works magic. But beyond that, it is a favorite in anti-aging formulas too. Yes, aloe vera is also common in anti-aging formulas, and it contains vitamin A, C, and K. All these three vitamins keep skin firm and moisturized. Most in preventing fine line. Also, I have the boardwalk. This boardwalk rolls also has a major class in the mirror's culture. It is known by a number of names. It is known as Axiom and Tony Ball, Paco Bolton, and the oil derived from the boardwalk root works wonders on hair. And no matter what you call it, it nourishes the scalp with fat, it nourishes the scalp with fatty acid, and then it also enhances blood circulation, and in turn promoting hair growth. And under this, also have the rose. When it comes to the benefits of rose oil, remember the three H's: antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. These are the things rose oil contains. These three A's, this is the antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, which makes rose very, very effective and not something we can easily brush aside. The first one, it makes it a good ingredient, which is the antibacterial. It makes rose a good ingredient in washing the face, and it works to clean the skin and fight acne. And why most people associate roses with a deep crimson color? The flowers, anti-inflammatory properties mean they make your skin look the opposite. Rose oil can soothe redness and reduce rosacea. The antioxidants, mainly anti-vitamin C, target future damage from the sun and other free radicals. When the sun has an effect on the skin, which is harmful to the skin. It's called sunburn, which might be irritating and cause skin discoloration. Also on the list, I have the witch hazel. The witch hazel, the witch hazel. Think of the witch hazel extract as bottled black magic. It comes from a shrimp bearing the same name, and a beauty insiders love it for its ability to reduce the appearance of under eye circle. The black eye, the color of the black under the eye, the circle color. It works for it. The appearance of the other under eye circle. You can squeeze the liquid hard as a mid estrogen. It makes the blood vessels beneath your eyes constrict, which reduces puffiness and discoloration. It also parasite as a toner and makeup remover. Wow, it works magic. You can apply the liquid from the witch under the circle and see how it works. You can thank me later. And you're still listening to Nature Creatives Maryhama Barherbs on A.y.o Radio UK, the station with charisma. You can listen to us on Tune In. If you don't have the Tune In on your phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and download the Tune In app. Then you search for A.y.o Radio UK. You can follow us on Instagram using A.y.o Radio UK as the Jelly Journalist. You can follow us on Facebook and watch us live on Facebook, A.y.o Radio UK as the Jelly Journalist. We'll be right. Look at us there. And also on webpage having fastcast for you.com. For adverts and sponsorship, you can call us on +4479 311 78486. And you can also send out a WhatsApp message on +23 818800165. You can also mail us at ayoradiou@gmail.com. We're glad to reply you. Let's quickly go for a visible short break. We'll be right back. Yeah, Oh Lo Lo by Strong Boy featuring Tenny Makanaki, Nigerian artist and a Kenyan, I think like it. If you're just joining us, you're listening to Nature Trends with me and Pat on A.y.o Radio UK, the station which carries my. You can listen to all on the web podcast4you.com. You can join us on YouTube using A.y.o Radio UK at the JLE channel. You can listen to us live, watch us live on Facebook, A.y.o Radio UK at the JLE journalist. You can also follow me and Bats on Facebook, Maryhama and on Instagram, you can follow me and Bats MARYHAMA_BARHERBX, and you can also subscribe to YouTube channel. We'll be glad to follow you back on our social media. And if you have other comments about our programs, you can send us a mail or drop a message for us on our numbers. You can send us a mail on ayoradiouk@gmail.com. And for sponsorship and advertisement, you can call us on +27931178486. Let's call once again for sponsorship and advertisement. It's +27931178486. And you can also drop a WhatsApp message for all on our +23481801265. Before that musical short break, we were talking about the plant. I wanted to plant, no, we answer ewé àti egbò bá ṣe lè lò fún ìlera ara wa àti bá ṣe lè lò fún ìtọ́jú irun àti àwọ̀ ara wa tá a lè máa dán láwò, tá a sì lè máa gbé ìgbé ayé àlàáfíà, bá a ṣe lè máa lo àwọn ewé àti egbò kìíní. Lórí bá ṣe lè lò fún ìtọ́jú irun orí wa àti ìtọ́jú àwọ̀ ara wa, òun ni à ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ká tó lọ sí yàrá orin ráńpẹ́ tá a lọ yẹn. Mo kí n káàbọ̀ sórí ètò Nature Trends dáadáa. Ní studio February program Nature Trends with me and Baz. And they said before the short break, we talking on natural plant, using it as a hair and skin care. We talked about witch hazel, we talked about rose, boardrock root, how to use aloe vera as skin and hair care, how to use bay leaf as skin and hair care, mint, how to use camellia as skin and hair care, and how to use sunflower as skin and hair care, and how to use the mint. So we talk about the 8 natural plants, using it as a hair and skin care. And now let's on the list. I have the promote natural plants and promoting wellness. Yes, natural plants and promoting wellness. I said natural plants are very, very important to humans and have great benefits to humans. It seems like the natural plant remedies are having a moment, but the trending is nothing new. Yes, herbalism, which is the use of plants for their medicinal properties, has been around long time ago, before the modern pharmacists. And certain springs and leaves are still salted for their eating cows. And whether you're planning your next natural chopping, trip, or you want to try growing some harmful herbs at home. I know this overview and thus aims to be giving you with all to get started. And this is what we do on Nature Trend. That is why we are here for you, to give you to tell you the natural plant that I use. All natural plants are useful. No natural plant is a waste. Even nature itself, God Almighty understand why He actually created one thing or the other. They all had benefits to human. So that is why Nature Trend is there for you, to give you all the best, to tell you more about what you need to know about natural plants. Yes. Talking about to promote wellness, we have natural plants that are useful, very effective in that aspect. We have the feverfew, part of the Dice family. Feverfew has been dubbed medieval aspirin for its long time reputation as a headache reliever, and it is most often taken in capsule from rather tea, and because it's bitter taste, some take feverfew pills to help prevent migraines and reduce the frequency, but lessen the severity of headache and side effects, including pain, nausea, and sensitivity to light. We also have the valerian. The trouble sleepers take note that valerian can speed up the time it takes into manage before sleep and decrease the frequency at which they wake during the night. Last week I talked about using honey and salt as a remedy for people who find it difficult sleeping at night, or you woke up in the middle of the night by 2 a.m. When you wake up in the middle of the night by 2 a.m., you can try honey and salt, and trust me, it works very active. And Galeria is another natural remedy to stop people who find trouble sleeping. And also I have the thyme. Thyme is particularly useful during flu and cold season. Why? First, it is antispasmodic. A cough is an involuntary spasm, and the oil in thyme can help calm your body reflexes and but on a deeper level, the antiseptic found in thyme can attack infections directly. You know the thyme I'm talking about. The thyme we use and cooking our normal dishes for flavoring. Yes, it's also very useful. Also have peppermint. Peppermint is very effective, and it is considered very effective. Before Pepto-Bismol and some on pharmacist shelf, people turn to peppermint to soothe an upset stomach. Nowadays, it's common to step the herb in tea. Drinking a cup can relax stomach muscles and help in digestion and gas pass quickly. Those with belly issues triggered by acid reflux should pass on peppermint. But studies are proving it's an effective antidote to bloating cramps brought on by irritable bowel and syndrome. We also have the astragalus in the list of plants that promote health wellness. This root is considered an adaptogenic herb, something that protects the body from stress and diseases. It is used back to ancient Chinese times. Astragalus is tropically found in capsule form, and it can be taken to alleviate seasonal allergies. Yes. And last, I have the parsley. Parsley, ladies during that month, during the time of the month, adding extra parsley to your diet could be beneficial. This green herb contains alcohol, a natural orange substance that can help lessen pain, reducing bloating, and this herb is also believed to improve hormone balance, which can help PMS symptoms. That's for the ladies. Thank me later. I also have the slide. Doctors don't consider such a cure of depression or anxiety, but many herbalists, many herbal users consider it. It can be used temporarily to boost the mood. Some studies validate the thought, citing improvement in participants' alertness, calmness, and then contentness. So the easiest way to take the app is in pill form. Yes, many also burn charge in the app to get rid of negative energy and return to calm in its own right. And last but not the least, I have the capsicum. Many know capsicum are chili pepper, but it is actually considered a medicinal herb. Too. The active ingredient in capsaicin, that is the component that brings the beat when you eat. That brings the heat when you eat pepper. It is said to soothing heartburn pain when applied topically. That is it. So that is all we have on the list of natural plants. Some of the active natural plants that promote health wellness. Next is how to use aloe vera to treat sunburn. Yes, you have the skin irritation of sunburn. It is very common among even not only it's very 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 common among women, even though men also suffer from this. Mostly, women are the victims of it. Even if you are super careful about sun protection, some birds can still happen. They hurt so much. If you're feeling the pan and knowing how to use an aloe vera plant to treat a sunburn quickly and naturally itself, this unassuming plant can offer some serious relief. Yes, we don't really believe natural plants are very effective and can do wonders. We just we overlook them. We just push them away like natural plants. Or we believe in using the chemical creams and all. Wow, why don't you try using natural plants today? Then if you have a handy, try the how it works for someone aloe vera. If you have a handy if you have a plant handy, if you can get aloe vera around you now, just split the aloe vera leaves, then apply the gel to the bark. This was even explained by the University of Arkansas for medical science. The gel is a clear substance right inside the aloe vera plant that looks like jelly. Then you can just use a spoon to scrape it out. The maximum cooling effect. For maximum cooling effect, just place the plant in the refrigerator for a few minutes. Then you peel it out and you scrape out the gel. Then you apply the chili aloe vera gel straight to your bone. You just work and it feels like a miracle. It works wonder. The aloe vera plant has the ability to soften the bone, and it's even traced back to studies that even proven it that aloe vera was found to treat second degree burn, and it's even more effective than all the creams we use. In fact, aloe vera is recommended as a sunburn treatment by the American Academy of Dermatology itself. So in other words, aloe vera is very very effective because it contains an antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungi, and wound healing properties. Aloe vera, under studies for its medical use as further noted in surgery today because of the chemicals which are contained in it. So, for the most part, though, aloe vera is a helpful plant to have on hand for treating mid sunburns. Granted, the best, of course, action. You need to avoid sunburn by using effective sunscreen. If you can to avoid sunburn, you can make use of the sunscreen. After using aloe vera to treat the sunburn, so you can make use of your sunscreen glasses whenever you are out. Excuse me, whenever you're out, you can use the eyeglasses to protect your eye from the sunburn. So this is how far we can take on nature trends with Maryhama Barherbs on A.y.o Radio UK, the station with Charisma. Please do well to join us next week on same station, same station, same time. Don't want to follow us on our social media page and subscribe to our YouTube channel A.y.o Radio UK at the Daily Journalist. You can watch some of our programs on YouTube For replay for the broadcast, can watch our programs on YouTube, A.y.o Radio UK as the Daily Journalist. Follow Maryhama Barherbs on Facebook, Maryhama Barherbs, and follow me on Instagram, Maryhama_BHERBS. And you can also call us for sponsorship and advertisement on +4479311784886. Well, once again, +4479311784886. If you don't have a tuning app on your phone, just make sure you go to Google Play Store, download the tuning app to listen to A.y.o Radio UK, and Google. Make sure we bring you quality broadcast. A.y.o Radio UK is the station which carries all the charismatic listener. Well, today I'm going to say bye. This is where I have to go, and thank you to my producer at the Daily Journalist, and thank you most to our listeners for listening to Nature Trends with Maryhama Barherbs. Thank you. Thank you to you. Bye.
Nature Trends with Maryhama Barherbs on A.y.o Radio UK every week, every Wednesday. In fact, you will surely enjoy it. She talks about nature. She is all about nature. Yes, you must always eat and drink the right thing, the right food and the right drinks. Trust me, that's all about nature. Hey, look at it. Before I go to bed, on first thing in the morning and during a radio show, I drink organic green tea in hot water. Organic, look at the way it is. I don't know if you can see it. Always in the studio. First thing when I come here, I just have it. Organic green tea. It cleanses your stomach. If you have running stomach and any other palavasha, always drink it. I highly recommend it. I hope one day I'll become ambassador for green tea. Organic one, not a fake one. You get me? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for joining us this morning. We have more program for you. Please, you know what to do. Please go to TuneIn Radio and search for A.y.o Radio. We're the station with charisma. And remember that A.y.o Radio will be on FM, that's frequency modulation, in Lagos this coming February. So make sure you're part of it. If you want to be business partner or media partner, or you want to promote your products and services, if you want to help in any way, form or shape, yes, please contact us right here on A.y.o Radio. Trust me, we are Omo King Big. Did I say that right? Yeah. Last born, but became a hero. Hear my translation. Funny, innit? And weird. Yes. What makes sense? Same you. Yeah. To me, it makes sense. Omo King Big. You understand? There's a particular story about twins in Nigeria, especially from Yoruba culture, that the last baby that came, you understand, or that was born, let me just use that simple terminology or simple English. The last child that comes to the world, when you're having twins, okay. Thank you so much. Some messages are coming through. Yeah, the last child is called Kende, and it happens to be the elder either son or elder child. Let me just use that elder child of the twins. Even though he or she came last, it will be the elder child between the twins. Funny to you, isn't it, if you're not Yoruba or if you're not Nigerian, because you will have thought that the last child that came will be the junior, isn't it? Yeah, but it's not like that. It's not so in Yoruba culture. So they are the last one will be the eldest and among the twins. Even explaining it, I don't know how to explain it properly, but you know what I mean. You get the gist, yeah? So if you have twins, The first one will come first, which Yoruba will name Taiwo, and then the second one that came last will be Kende. And now Kende, the one that came last, will be the senior one. So in other words, he came to this world, or she came to this world before. I don't understand now. I'm getting it mixed up. Anyway, I love twins. I love twins, especially identical twins. Trust me, I just love them. The way they look alike, sometimes they dress alike. Even me and my younger brother, we're supposed to be twins, because I remember when we were children, they used to dress us alike. You would think we are twins. I'm telling you, my parents, especially my mom, she used to dress us the same. If I'm wearing t-shirt, same color, we will be wearing the same, because they always get our stuff from abroad. So we always wear the same clothing, the same shoes, the same socks. I wouldn't even be surprised if we were wearing the same pata. I don't know about that one too, but I won't be surprised. So that's the twins. And according to a recent discovery, they said if you eat a lot of yams, the tendency of having a twin is high. Basically, eat yams and have twins. That's what they're saying. You will be surprised now that the prices of yams we saw, as I just mentioned this. Trust me, don't be surprised. And please tag me if you hear the news in future that now the prices of yam has gone up in UK. Yeah, shout out to my man Dane, hold tight, the man with the sexy voice. Yes, bro. Nice one, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you today on this program. I'm concluding here. Another program is coming up at 12. Remember, we broadcast every hour. So it's going to be 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah, 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 24/7. 24 hours we are open. Yes, we are open 24 hours and 365 days a year. And we are proud to announce again to everyone, if you are just joining us, that A.y.o Radio will be broadcasting in Nigeria on FM this February 2020. We will be broadcasting live on FM. FM means frequency modulation, so you can be in your shops, where even if you are selling dundu and epa or akara, whatever you are selling in the street, or even if you're at a work site, like bricklayers, carpenters, you can just take your radio there. Even you can listen to it on your mobile phone as well. So we'll be broadcasting in Nigeria on FM this February. May God help our hustle. So if you want to support us in any way, shape, or form, please do so, because we are small. We need your help. Donation is needed. It doesn't really have to be money. You can help us in so many ways by sharing our programs and telling people, friends and family, that, okay, a UK-based internet radio station will now be on FM in Nigeria. Word of mouth. That is a big thing. That will mean a lot to you. Yes, Lillian, hold tight and good morning to you. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy yourself in the UK where we are broadcasting now. It's 11:43 and today is Wednesday, September 2019. And also in Nigeria where we are also broadcasting at the same time. The time now is 11:43. Today, Wednesday, the 25th of September 2019. I'm going to kill this insect that is flying around in the studio. This insect, I bite you in the name of God. Thunder strike you. Trust me. Make animal right no go confine me for studio. But this insect is doing my head in. As soon as this program is done, trust me, I'm getting my insect killer, spray the studio, and trust me, that one will work faster than praying to God to get rid of you. I'm telling you. Sure. Ladies and gentlemen, join us again at 12 o'clock on A.y.o Radio UK. God bless you all and have a good day.
Bí ìyẹn bá sopọ̀ òyìnbó márùn-ún tàbí wá gbádà àti ṣòkòtò òpó ní ká ìsàn máa ṣìyàn lágbo ara. Ọ̀kan gbòógì nínú àìsàn tí sọmọdé dàgbàlagbà sómi dàdarúgbó. Bí èèyàn jẹnukọlẹ̀ bí àdé onítọ́lé àìsàn rọpárọsẹ̀ stroke máa bá wá rẹ̀ nípa àìsàn rọpárọsẹ̀ ti dágúnlẹ̀ bí omi adágún. Máyé rẹ̀ fàkùn bí ìgbín tó rò máyé ti pin síbẹ̀. O sì lè gbé bọ́dì. Gbé bọ́dì ẹ̀. Lọ́jọ́ tó bá ti dé Lárugẹ Rehabilitation Center. Àwọn lọ́jìnì onímọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀. Ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n ìràpadà lọ́wọ́ àìsàn rọpárọsẹ̀. Tó sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa gbégbé sí ayé ọ̀tún yọ̀tọ̀ mi láàrin àwùjọ padà.
Lárugẹ Rehabilitation Center. Wọ́n wà ní block 4 plot 16 Kenta Housing Estate Ìdíàbà Abẹ́òkúta Ògùn State. Tẹlifóònù nọ́mbà wa ni 09061839299 07013262899 tàbí 08034722200. Email larikereha@gmail.com.
Ìràpadà tí ò láfiwé as Lárugẹ Rehabilitation Center. Àtúnbí ìníṣẹ́ wa.
Oya kama kira biggest squeeze. Pẹ̀lú tẹ̀sílẹ̀ fani àti mọ̀ gbé tẹ̀lé tó wa. Ìṣègò ẹ̀sìnkọ̀dá kàmí nípa kíni. Rèé ìdárayá káàkiri àgbáńlá yé ni. Ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ lórí wa Nàìjíríà àti ní ẹsẹ̀ kúkú ni. Yẹ́nìkan ni A.y.o Radio UK lápá ti bí. The radio with charisma àríyá ṣẹ̀ lápá ti bí ni. Tẹ́bá ṣe ń bẹ̀ wá báyìí. Ayọ̀ ayọ̀ ní tán lè yí. Ó ṣe máa jẹ́ nìyẹn. Àṣà àkèrè lórúkọ tèmi. Mr. Bones, Mr. Victor Hitler Story, The Light of Sport, ìmọ̀lẹ́ rèé ìdárayá. Ó yà kùgbò yìí ń gbé jáde. Pé Frank Lampard gẹ́gẹ́ mọ́ ṣe pàrọ̀ ẹ̀nu kan Chelsea. Yẹ kúrò ní Mọ́níṣẹ́ sáré ni gẹ́gẹ́ bí olùkọ́ ni. Àwọn yẹn ti ń fi àwòrán hàn. Ẹgbẹ́ ṣe Frank Lampard máa ṣe dáadáa. Yẹn ní sáà tó ń bọ̀ ní olùkọ́ Chelsea. Ẹgbẹ́ ṣe máa ṣe dáadáa. Àbẹ́ òní ṣe dáadáa. Máa já ẹsìn bẹ́tà. Ó ṣe máa jẹ́ nìyẹn. Yẹn ló ìfẹ́ A.y.o Radio UK láìkí ẹ̀. Kẹ́dẹ̀ pọ̀lú ẹni ó máa dùgbò máa kán sí. Mr. Bones, oya let's go there.
Realities of life, real talk, real issues, real people, topic and facts as it affects the environment. Join your humble presenter, Sir James, as he brings your exposure, the facts of life, every week, from your best companion, A.y.o Radio, broadcasting live in UK.
Your number one of Google online radio station, A.y.o Radio UK, the station where they carry smart data. Now different programs say we go to summer you as you want now. China news, entertainment gist, educative programs, political palaver, lifestyle matter, matter when they share it from Obodo worldwide. All our radio lovers from Obodo worldwide, we get different programs for all of them. Share you be youth, businessman and woman. Join A.y.o Radio UK on TuneIn. Download the TuneIn app on Google Play Store. You can search for A.y.o Radio on the app. We did there for you. You can listen to us on YouTube. Use A.y.o Radio UK. Make like us on Facebook. A.y.o Radio UK. Instagram self. We did there. A.y.o Radio UK. Your number one internet radio station with charisma.
Yawe Krana Yawa Petokra na Yawe Kram. DJ Chicken. A.y.o, A.y.o, Kufikerani, simple of.
Ṣé o ti gbọ́ bó ṣe ń dún? Àbó ò tí ì gbọ́ bó ṣe ń dún?
Yes, some states in Nigeria, you have some primitive people. Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't like to call them primitive, but that's what people call them. So I have to go along or tag along with them. Trust me. Beautiful people with long lips, long plated lips. You see plate here. I wonder how they kiss, but that's them. That's their culture. That's their tradition. You must obey. Tiwa Savage. Okay. Let's go there. Gelato.